the nice people at Panaromia sent this to me for free. It's an ice maker, and it looks like a really, really nice one. Good value. It's got its own handle. That is a great feature. It comes in this, I don't know if you'd call it teal, maybe turquoise color. See the product information. Panaromia compact ice maker takes only 8 minutes to get 9 chewable, delicious bullet-shaped ice cubes. And it makes 27 pounds of bullet ice cubes within a 24-hour period. 2-size selectable, that means that it comes in a small and a large size cube. Most of these only produce a single size of ice cube. Automatic cleaning function, that's something that is very rare on a tabletop ice maker. Just activate the cleaning cycle to eliminate mineral scale buildup to maintain your ice maker. You open it up, and on the inside you find the catch bucket and an ice scoop. Let's put some water in it and make some ice. I'm going to select large and hit the on button. You're going to want to see this close up. That's what it looks like with the ice in the glass with some iced coffee. Ice cold drink on a hot day. Panaromia ice maker. It did a great job for me. It's going to do a great job for you too.